On today's episode, we have Cooking with Yana. All right, hey guys, so I got my cleaned chicken and it has been cut. And now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my seasonings and I'm going to show you guys as I go through. Just watch me work. And don't forget, if you're not sneezing, baby, it's not seasoning. Okay, so here we got mustard. If you know, then you know. Add that mustard to that chicken, please and thank you. You're welcome. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get our flour for our chicken. And honey, if you're not seasoning your flour before you fry, then what are you doing with your life? Nothing. So go ahead and season your flour next time you fry some chicken. You're welcome in advance. And just make sure you check your oil before you put your chickens in to make sure it's ready to go. What?
Potatoes. Here's one.
I don't know what I was doing with that fork. I should have known better, but I was trying to take us all down. Check the smoke. Alright, so let's start on these baked beans. Chill. So first you want to go ahead, drop them off. Get you some butter. I like a decent amount of butter. Yep. Then you want to get you some sugar. Not too much. Some vanilla. Just enough. And then mix. Then you're just going to let them sit and come to a boil on medium-low heat. And a true cook knows, wash as you go. See, I finally got it together and got me a big fork, and flipping my chicken over is doing much better. Go ahead and turn those beans on low. So now I got me a cornbread going. So you got your milk, your egg. And so they said that's it. That's all you need is milk and egg in the package. But I'm mixing this up. I'm like, this It's way too thick, way too thick. I'm not about to, make no cornbread from this. So I decided to add. So yeah, I had to check the box out because like that's not all y'all telling me. So I hit it up with a little love, put a little vanilla in there and some melted butter. Mix her out. Put a little honey in there, Ooh, we love it sweet. And it's already the honey kind. So, but it was very good. Go ahead, put her in the pan, and you want to put melted butter in the pan. So put you some butter in the pan, put it in the oven, let it warm up and melt. Then put your cornbread mix in there, and boom, put her in the oven for as long as the box tells you. I check it with a fork once I take it out, and she's beautiful.